Hi babes, so today I'm here with Clinique and I'm about to find out what my Clinique ID is.
Just a weird sexiest photo you'd ever have taken in life. That's pretty good. And now, this is the skin looks really, really good on there. And now, what this does, after that scan, it looks at all of these different 17 points analysis, and it brings up the overarching concern that it sees.
Actually, I think in terms of pigmentation, I think you're doing incredibly well. Actually, you have really nice sort of even skin tone. I think what it might be picking up is a little bit of hint of redness in some areas. And I think that goes alongside with some of this irritation that you're getting in terms of dermatitis. So,
should we go on to irritation?
Yeah, you know, I would do that because I think that's why it's picking up. Because like I say, pigmentation is actually doing so good.
Yeah.
Particularly trying with nose and it's just a really big challenge for the skin.
Takes a few pumps to get the base up, and then you'll see it will have the green in there. Yeah. So can you see where it's got the green in there?
Yeah.
So what it does is, it's very clever in the way that it works. The cartridge is separate. So your lactobacillus probiotic fauna, amongst a cocktail of other ingredients, is designed to really help to keep your skin really calm and from irritation, which will create that evenness of tone. And then this gets pulls all the base through.
Yeah.
So then you get your custom blend of 90% hydration base and 10% of active cartridge concentrate with every pump. So you get exactly what your skin needs. So massage that in, so you get your moisturisation and your treatment in one moisturiser. So good, isn't it?
Yeah.
But somebody that doesn't like to use a lot of product,
Yeah.
one pump and you get everything that you need. And a little bit goes quite a long way, doesn't it, when you put it in. But the texture is nice because it's really nourishing, but it's not thick.
Yeah.
So you'll get all of the hydration benefit that you need for your skin as well.
Amazing.
So that's your custom fit ID.
I've been using my Clinique ID for the last 2 to 3 weeks and I've been travelling quite a lot, and I always find that when I travel that's when my skin really acts up. I've had really dry patches of skin around my scalp down here, and yeah, I've been using this every day and I've noticed such a difference in my skin. So I obviously know my Clinique ID and now I'm about to find out about my 23andMe results. I am 99.9% European. Surprise, surprise. I am 43% British and Irish, 23.8% French and German, 6% Scandinavian. So, if you guys would like to find out your own clinical reality, you simply need to go to one of the Clinique stores, go to the counter, or go to clinique.co.uk to find your Clinique ID.